Hi everybody! In this video, we will learn how to create a bridge chart. Bridge charts, often called waterfall charts, are very popular graphic tools that are often used in corporate presentations. A bridge normally shows how an initial value is affected by a series of intermediate positive or negative values. Microsoft Excel 2016 makes the creation of bridge charts much easier. Previous versions required complicated manipulations and advanced knowledge, while here you simply click a button and your chart is ready. Let's show you how it's done. We have a firm's revenues and expenses ordered in the following way, as they have to be when creating a bridge chart. We select the data, open the Insert tab, and choose to insert a waterfall chart. Then, once the chart is inserted into the sheet, we have to do the following. Click on the final data point of the chart. In our current case, this is EBITDA. Once we've selected the last data point, we need to right-click on it and select Format Data Point. The menu, which opens to the right, would allow us to indicate that this point is the total of our chart. Let's select Set as Total. And boom! Here it is! How simple and easy is that? You've got to love Microsoft Excel 2016.